Hey Nate,
He's
are they doing the website Him and Prophecy?
yeah. I sent him
That's fine. At least they can concentrate. John's not booking them, is he?
No, John's not.
What, do you get off?
No, he's just. Hopefully, we can get in on before prophecy get off. Ben almost out of school.
He's in my other TeamSpeak, the MOG one. That's probably where he's at. Probably playing H1Z1 with Kelly.
There's Coma Kurt. Kurt.
Yeah, I hear him. Hold on. I gotta shut off the music here in my game, so give me a second. I have to pull over.
Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, I got some of their mission file running earlier yesterday.
What mission file?
The Trinity their original mission file that they had, what you guys were playing on.
You got it running.
I had it running. Yeah, I haven't been messing with it lately. Yeah, I was on it. I was on the map running around and shit.
Was it running like a normal server?
Yeah,
What was it? Do you know what the issue is?
I didn't have the database on or nothing like that.
Hold on, let me see if
Here, let me mute your
Can
screen.
you pull Prophecy down here for a minute?
All right.
You got in the mod folder. Extract it to your American Truck Simulator folder.
I spelled it wrong. Fuck you, prophecy. Prophecy.
Is he there?
Oh, he left. Sorry, dude. I got like 2 servers running today, and I've been working. I've done a little bit of work. I figured you had guys already working on your Lakeside server, so I really didn't mess with it. But I did get the mission file to run.
Yeah, well, for some reason they're having a hard time putting it up, and I don't understand why.
It has to do with the database.
Do you have a database that would run that?
Yeah, because that's the only thing that you're missing is your database.
Well, they said they had a database.
They had it. They was saving money and all that shit.
Yeah.
What was wrong with it? You'd run and you'd fall down.
No. It worked.
Oh. So why did they? What was wrong?
I don't know what's wrong because it's still not working.
Oh, maybe they're adding some new shit to it.
No, they started from scratch. They added the basic, and it's still not working.
Oh, really? Damn. I'm telling you, man, it's got to be that. It's
Can you tell if you
XAMP.
go up in there
You
and
guys are
look?
using that XAMP, man. The best way to do it on Windows Server is to install MySQL installer on it as a database, and then use Navicat to.
You want to give them access?
He already has access.
Oh, why don't you just do it then?
Oh, I don't know, man. I thought maybe these. I don't want to do something that undo something that somebody's already started, dude. You get too many people in there doing shit, and then before you know it, somebody's pissed at you because you changed something.
But at this point, I just want it on. What about you, Kirk?
I want the server up, and I mean it's been I don't know.
Right, well, I got it working right now, dude. I got a working Exile server running.
But we're not talking about Exile. We need an Arma 3
I
load
know
server.
you're talking about Lakeside, yeah. I can get on there and run that, mess with it.
Yeah.
What I've been doing is just using my server as a test server.
Okay.
Freaking shit. But
Do-
you're gonna have to have a better database than XAMPP, because MySQL installer is probably the best database you can use.
What, Reaver's again? What's your question? If you feel it's better than the other database, then do it.
Yeah, you can test it on yours and then just give
Oh, I
us.
already got it running on mine. It works like an arm.
Well, we just gonna have to deal with the hooping and hollering. Goddamn it! I'd rather have it up, at least something up, cause we still working on the website. That's still not up. Server isn't up. I know it
Yeah.
take time, and the people that we have normally does it.
Oh my god.
Isn't
Prophecy.
They go prophecy.
Prophecy.
There you go.
I'm back.
Okay, Coma, he said he has the old mission file that he had mods downloaded for Lakeside, and he has it working on his own database, which is MySQL. Do you
Yeah.
think it'd be better to have MySQL on the Deddy?
MySQL is what you use for the database, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I used the installer. You know how you install it? I
Yeah.
didn't use the XAMPP. I didn't want to uninstall XAMPP and then go to, install Microsoft installer and then just have it running in the background all the time rather than having to, start XAMPP every time. It's just going to be running, the database will just be running on the server all the time. Then you
Well,
can
it has
add
to be-
different databases to it.
That's true. I know with Heidi SQL you can do multiple databases if you make them, but then again you have to have the server to run the databases.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I was going to ask you, because I don't want to go in there and uninstall XAMPP and then install MySQL.
Well, you gotta have well,
as a
that's good
development
question.
server.
Yeah, that's a good question. I
I
mean,
mean, I can
for-
redo the database. I mean, if it's okay with you, I don't want to go in there and start changing shit. That's why I didn't do anything to it.
Yeah. But wait, tell me again. What are you planning on doing exactly?
Okay, I got my own server. I'm using it as a test server.
Okay.
And I installed Microsoft Installer, the SQL installer, on my server right now. It's running like a charm. I got Excel server running right now on it.
Yeah.
as a test. I had their Trinity mission file. I was running it earlier. I ran it. It was running okay, but the spawn points were messed up. There's a lot of other shit.
Yeah, I can fix that.
But I did get their mission file. I did get their mission running.
All right, but do you also have their the server side files?
The server side. Oh,
That's really important. If you don't have that, the
yeah,
entire
yeah.
thing.
You have to do a lot of research on to find out where they got all theirs at. I know he did some writing, like jackpot and all that other shit that I found on there.
But do you have theirs, like their?
Their server file? No, I don't. I
Oh
have a
God.
server file. I have a live server. Actually, I got a Lakeside server file.
Yeah,
On
but like
desktop.
they're all different.
Yeah, they are.
That sucks. Yeah. Is there a way that
But
you can get their server file or no?
oh man,
Damn.
unless you go to their